Ladies and gentlemen, we may be hitting some turbulence shortly, so don't be alarmed if we wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
One word to describe Kathmandu City. City of dreams. Thousands of people enter this city every year chasing their dreams. So did I.
Hello.
Hey everyone, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I know the video was too short, but trust me, the walk down behind the scenes was too time consuming. I have put a lot of time and effort making this video, especially those hyperlapses. Hundreds and hundreds of photos has been shot for making that short hyperlapse video. Let me know in the comment section below how do you feel to watching the video. And so yeah, that's it for now. I hope you really enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.